This will be cute. Okay, and then some diamond dust pixie. Okay, condensed glue gel and blend it nicely. If your first time using condensed glue gel, it's really thick density, so do not feel afraid of to not blending it out. Just blending it, and it's gonna go really nice and evenly for you. So no wipe top coat on the top of unclear condensed glue gels. Do I have right here? Sorry. There you go. Can I get my this? My frame. There you go. Give it a shake. Because there's so many in here, it's hard to see. Maybe I need another tray. Please, thank you. Ah. Why it keeps sliding off?
Because you got a bee underneath.
Yeah.
And you got some metal underneath.
I didn't know that. Did you just see that? I couldn't see it. When it happened like that, do not panic. Get the tweezers and tell her to go time out on the side, because she was dropping it before I will tell her to land on that. So she's on the side. So is anybody watching fun movie? I just watched Bad Boys the other day.
Bad Boy for Life.
Best Boy for Life. I don't know if anyone's watching it. It's fun though. If you haven't watched it, I'm not gonna say anything. I don't want to spill the beans. I watched until 4 o'clock in the morning, I think. It's fun. I'm so obsessed with this. All right.
So I think Vanessa asked for a mixed tray.
Mixed tray.
So yes, this thing is the Mercury one?
Oh, the mixed tray.
Maybe, I'm not sure. Just trying to check.
Okay, someone help. Vanessa, what do you call the website? Vanessa, are you talking?
Mixed tray, Vanessa, is the same color difference. Oh, maybe Opal.
The Opal?
Yes, so they come
The
in
Opals, they
one
come in the mixed tray. I mean mixed sizes
in one jar.
in one jar. So they don't mix the colors. They have the solid colors like pink,
Same
green,
color?
same color, but they mix different size from SS3 to all the way to SS10. I really obsessed with this. So in love with that. Okay, next. It's just fun to work with this. There's so many. Sorry, I had to like find the right one to fit in this. Alright, little one. He thinks all the love and the heart. You have to see me right now because I bent like really down so I can see it. So cute. Alright, everyone. Just hang on tight because I want to make it look really beautiful for you. So then if you duplicate this for your client's set, it's going to be really stunning. The clients will love it and you keep doing beautiful work. So fun. Alright. going that side. Down toward down here, right here. Okay. And this one. Okay, so next one. The one I'm using right here is the frame and beads. I really like it. This, even you doing it by itself, like it just with no crystal in there, it still looks cute. It's come with different sizes for different, I mean the frame is different sizes for different crystal size. I've been using a lot out of this size already, so just for your information, you wonder, like, it's come with the jars, we'll have a lot of them in there. I've been using so many of them already. Smaller one.
So I guess Liverise did a video on a giveaway, but hey, sorry I did not see that. We will check it out probably after this.
Liverise, awesome, you're amazing. Thanks so much for the love and support. Liverise, she's amazing. She's a winner of giveaway for 30,000 follower giveaway, and she received like over $1,000 worth of products from Glitz. And congratulations, Liverise. And we have the 40,000 follower giveaways going on right now, so lady, please check it out. And good luck everyone, to make sure you have fun, share with your bestie and have fun. We'll definitely so excited and can't wait, because the winner will win the second anniversary Glitz crystal kit. If you're not sure what it is, it's gonna be like 20 different compartments with a full size of 20 crystal in there, and that they all is a best-selling shape all the time on the kits that they put it together for you. I need a smaller one. And then you have the toolkit, and you have, I think, a 5G condensed glue gel, your crystal pickers, your tray, and then your I believe it precision glue. That is so stunning. This is coming for the 40,000 giveaway, but Liverise has so many beautiful gifts. I can't wait.
Well, and Liverise should do 2 videos. You should watch it. Should be fun.
That's awesome. Thank you, Liverise. You're amazing. I can't.
Do share some creations you did with the whole $1,000 of product we want to see.
Yeah, it's the beautiful. I bet look at her work. She's beautiful, like she did beautiful work. Can't wait. And after we have our giveaways, they're gonna be our team ambassador giveaways, and this is so cute. If you want to do more, you can.
I think that's plenty.
Let me see. No, never enough for us. We are not gonna settle for this. I'm telling you now, baby. You ask the lady and they're gonna settle for this? They said no. It's gonna be, it's, to me in this case, it's not less is more. It's gonna be less is less, and more is better. So if you want to put the beads in here, you go for it. More than welcome. I think it's gonna look stunning. I think I'm good. I'm not gonna try to play with this because what else should I put in there?
To the lamp.
Right there. Just a little bit. Aha. Okay. In here. Good. You can leave it alone, or you can put the Diamond Dust Pixie. Want Diamond Dust Pixie?
You know what? Yeah, put Pixie.
Some Pixie, but...
Pixie right on the bottom. Should be cute.
On the bottom?
Yeah, the green tray.
Okay, give me the clean tray. I'm gonna do this one in here. Oh.
Just leave it at the bottom.
it's on my side right here. No,
No.
not this one. Wrong one. Let's see. I might destroy it. It's okay. Okay, can you see it? Can you please move them all? Thank you. More always is better. You are right, ladies. So I don't know where's my bottles of my Pixie is.
It's okay.
Do you know where's that at?
There you go.
I'm gonna using it from this tray. Just gently, because I only wanted this part. I don't want to be it's all over. Ah, looks so stunning. All right, please move this away. There you go.
Really cute.
So cute, you like it? Now we have more than enough. It's okay, I like it. And I think it's this set. Hold on, let me find out the name of the number of this Diamond Dust Pixie. I'm really obsessed with this. And tap it. Oh, it's really nice. Make sure they are not gonna hang off on the side. So stay nice, and like you can see that it's not, it feels texture, but you don't feel this one right there. You need to remove it off. Great. So
This one, 13.
oh, okay, thank you.
Ready to key?
Yep, I'm gonna key this for 60 seconds. You like it, ladies? Do I need to put anything? Should I put this is a design that I went number 13. Lucky number.
13.
Yep. It's the ombre. And do I need to put anything? Should I put some beads in here? I'm gonna wait for your, hold up, this one. Crystal beads, no beads, yes? Beautiful. Thank you, Foxy. Thank you, Zoe. Oh, thank you, Sarah. Tammy, thank you so much. Let's see if I put some beads on it, it's gonna affect anything. I'm gonna only try. But hey, if you don't like it, you only take it off. Not a big deal. Oh, I like it. It feel so complete right here.
Oh, it's never end.
This, I feel like this live will never end. Imaginative is the...
Oh, the lady tell no beads.
No beads? Oh my god, too late. I put some on it. What do you think? This bead doesn't look good, huh? It take away from that separating. Okay.
Just circle. There you go. Feel it up, feel it up.
Feel it off. I'm so glad you stopped me before I get feel everything. It's like, okay, I got to do it again. I'm gonna fill it in. And a minute later, I don't see. I think.
And now people seem to like beat again.
Beat again.
I think just let it chill like that. It's cute.
Okay, let me see. Let me take it off and see how it turned out. Maybe once only, huh? How about that? Just like put one on and see how it turned out. Oh, not bad. There you go. It's okay.
Well, yeah, that's cute because this is gonna die.
Okay, here.
Okay.
Here.
Bring it over a bit. Show me.